Hello friends, today in this video we shall discuss non-taxable online recipient and online information and database access or retrieval services. First, non-taxable online recipient. Non-taxable online recipient means any government authority, local authority, or an individual, any person not registered, and they are receiving online information and database access or retrieval services. So they are receiving online information and database access or retrieval services for any purpose other than commerce industry business. They are called non-taxable online recipient. Here government authority means any body or board established by parliament or state legislature, or this board or body established by government, where 90% or more of equity control is held by state government or central government, whatever may be the case. Now we are moving forward to online information and data access or retrieval services. What is this? This means online information and data access or retrieval services. Online data access, information and data access or retrieval services means service. It is a service whose delivery is made by information technology, over the internet, and its nature renders it is automated. Delivery of service is automated, and it involves minimal human intervention. Human intervention is least. So it is service provided with IT, That means it is with the help of IT it is provided, and it has less human intervention and it is automated. And this service includes online information and data access or retrieval services, includes advertisement on the internet, providing cloud services, provision of ebooks, movies, music, software, or other intangibles through telecommunication networks, and it includes data information, providing data information to any person in electronic form through computer network, and it includes online supplies of digital content, and it includes digital data storage, and it includes online gaming. So that's all about today's video. Thank you for watching.